Hi guys, myself Sunil Kumar. I built an memory OS, a company memory layer for AI agents, letting them continue their work without starting from zero. So they can scale from 1 to 100. So basically, why I built this particular product. So you need because AI agents forget everything between the sessions, and company contexts are scattered across the GitHub, Docs, local files, Slack, Notion, tickets, chats, Jira, etc. So I had this problem too while I was working as an intern. So I think the future needs agents that can actually continue their work without any distraction. So let's get started with how the particular memory OS works. So first of all, you need to install these SDKs. You can use SDK, MCP or HTTP. HTTP can use locally. You need to read this and copy these things and add into your environment. So after that, you need to connect the source, GitHub, Google, Zendesk, or Jira, anything. After connecting those things, particularly the after connecting the GitHub, docs, local files, and everything, etc., MemoryOS turns them into a structured memory contract like decisions. Here you can see decisions, runbook, incident, and preference project facts. So before an agent answers, it retrieves the right memory. After the agent works, it stores what are the what are the things are changed, and what are the reasons they changed. So next, so in last few 6 weeks in Canopy, I went from idea to deployment product. I built GitHub and local file ingestion and developed a console memory and memory graph SDK and API hooks and continuity layer and lab also. So I had got downloads of SDK and MCP servers up to 700 to 800 in 1 week. Also, I had mentioned this in Discord also, in Canopy Discord. So what is my future goal is that, so now I am ready to make memory OS execution layer for AI native companies. So we are starting with engineering continuity, replacing the fragment context and manual handoff. Then we will expand into support operations, compliance, and company-wide AI workflow. If you are building a company, if you are building a project, if you are using agents or models in your company, so check out MemoryOS at memoryos.live. The another thing I forgot to mention is there are two pages, or there are continuity lab and playground. Continuity lab, where you can chat with directly the AI models, and you can define your goals and change your goals, and you can update your project. And here, based on the chat only, you can update your project, you can update your goals, you can find your bugs in the project and everything. Here is, you need to define the goal. After defining your goal, it stores your input, and based on that input, it gives the acknowledgement. It also suggests the next step, and after executing the plan, it will suggest the what are the things you need to improve, and what are the errors and everything in the particular project contain. So it also send to the IDE agent, like if you are chatting everything, the every information are structured into a particular information format and sent to the AI agent or IDE agent. There is also another thing is playground. So playground basically, it if you're a developer, you love this. This is the, like, I can't say big feature, but best one for me. So live workplace continuity. It means you directly connect your backend here. You can test your backend. You can connect your memory contracts. You can connect your runtime requests and real API data, which will be based on real data APIs. You get the information, and here all the conversation between playground and also continuity lab, which you chat with agents directly, and all the information stored here in the form of graph, and also it directly sent to the AI agents in the form of structured memory format. So thanks.